The growth of NFTs in the market showed a promising future for investors out there. With this trendsetter expected to grow in popularity in the coming years, people are diversifying their investment with NFT. While Ethereum is used to buy and sell the majority of NFTs, its high gas fees make the process prohibitively expensive. To compensate for the extra cost, creators and investors try to sell the NFTs for a higher price than they were paid or created for. But what if we say that there are other ways to make money with NFT? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll check out how to make money with NFT. Before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification icon for regular updates. Rent out NFTs. Renting out your NFTs, particularly those in high demand, is one way to generate passive income. Some card trading games, for example, allow players to borrow NFT cards in order to increase their chances of winning. Smart contracts, as expected, govern the terms of the deal between the two parties involved. As a result, NFT users typically have the option of determining the length of the rental agreement as well as the lease rate for the NFT. Re-NFT is a prominent example of a platform that allows users to rent or lend NFTs. This enables lenders to set maximum borrowing periods and daily rates, which currently average between 0.002 and 2 wrapped Ethereum (WETH). Investing in promising new NFTs and stake them. One of the most successful ways to make money is by investing in promising new NFTs before skyrocketing their market value. All the NFTs are minted at a low price, which then reaches high value over time. The value of an NFT increases with an increase in demand. If demand for an NFT is higher, the value is also more. Once you own a promising NFT, you can stake it. Staking is the process of depositing digital assets into a DeFi protocol smart system contract to generate yield. By doing so, you can hold an NFT in the marketplace for a limited period of time. And when the demand rises, you can sell it. This results in increased profit. NFT hodling. Those who are crypto investors must be very familiar with this technique. HODL stands for hold on for dear life. This is very much similar to staking. The only difference is that HODL is long-term and staking is for a fixed period of time. It's an investment strategy where you do not sell. Though this method is aimed at immense profit, there are a lot of pros and cons to this. Holding the NFT can give you a high profit or a much lesser profit. However, if you analyze well and move strategically, then there's a high chance of getting huge profits. Royalties. One of the best benefits of owning an NFT is generating royalties. Once you mint your NFT, you can sell the NFT. Once the NFT is sold, the ownership of the NFT transfers to the buyer. And then the sale goes down, and the ownership also transfers to the secondary buyers. However, you, as the creator, have the right to get a certain percentage of the amount as passive income whenever they are resold. This is called generating royalties. There will be an option to sell the royalty percentage during the minting process. Most of the creators set the limit of 5% to 10%, even though some go for a higher royalty percentage. However, you need to make sure that your NFT is worth investing in so that you can get your passive income. Flipping NFT. Flipping is the process of buying low and selling high. Again, this is also similar to hodling and staking, but here, flipping is generally a very short-term approach. Staking being for a fixed period of time and hodling for a longer period of time as long as the owner wishes. NFT marketplace is a competitive one, and finding a promising NFT and then flipping is challenging. However, it's not impossible. With proper research, you have a high chance of getting a profitable business. The token's utility should be at the center of the process, as this will be one of the prime reasons other investors will buy it. Together with the development team behind the project, community support should be taken into account. Ultimately, the NFT's visual appeal is critical to consider, as most investors will want to display their artworks as their profile pictures on social media or through a digital art gallery. With a wide variety of options out there to earn a nice amount of money, earning through NFTs is quite interesting and challenging. However, with good strategies and planning, it's one of the best ways to earn. We've reached the end of the video. Which method are you going to try out to earn? Do let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and share for more such content.